So today I decided to have a production day. I've had a few wrist wrap orders, so I'll be making these and I would like to invite you on the journey. So next step, just line them up, wrong side together, so right side's outside. They should be similar, so it lines up nicely. My cutting mat, unfortunately, isn't long enough, so I have to move the fabric around a bit. Using my cutting edge, I'm gonna go and find rotary cutter. I found that, so I've lined it up on the cutting mat, just cutting off the selvage. So next, I'm gonna be cutting my required width, which is 2.5 inches. And doing the same for another one. So I'll just finish off these two lines and make sure I've got the full inch starting point. So I've cut out two of these, finishing these off so I can send them out, and then we'll do some of the other bee fabric, different ones. So I'm gonna bring my serger out. As you saw, I cut them out together so they should match nicely. So this is how they look. Merge them together and cut the last bits up. Other side, and then hold it together. My new trick, and just cut a nice little triangle top. Now let's get sewing. Get the other machine on the table now. First, turquoise and fuchsia. Just looking whether to use black or grey ribbon. I think black works better for this one. We need two, obviously, because we're making a set of two. And I've got 3 to make, so we need 6. 5, 6. What we do now is short one is going to go on the square end, and then the longer one is going to go on the triangle. And I like to use my pins for these ones, opposite corners, and then here. I don't know if anybody else is, but I need to make sure that arrows are pointing all the same way as well, so I tend to do pointing up. This might be just me, but that's how particular I like it to be. So I've got black thread on. I'm gonna zigzag to 3.5 and 1.2, and on the straight I want to do 3.5 and 3. So first of all we're gonna do zigzag. I'm gonna put it 3.5 width and 1.2 lengthwise, and attaching the longer string first. Tend to remove the excess thread as soon as possible. So lift it up, I change it to number 4 and 3 millimeters lengthwise. Securing the string to the wrist strap. So I I'm sure it's safe as it's going to be used regularly and washed, etc. So we want to make sure that it stays strong. And then I just eyeball it to get to the middle, so straight line. Zigzag again. And so here it is. One wrist strap is ready. Let's finish off the other one. We can pack it up. So that's how I make my wrist straps. I've finished all the wrist straps that I was planning doing today. So 1, 2 with the white thread, 3, 4 and 5. Happy days. Be packing 2 of these away and sending out to customers, but the rest will stay here until they get sold. If you like wrist straps, if you like sports, if you think they're useful for you, get in touch or comment below. I think that will be it for today.